Let's get ready to dive into the fascinating world of analytical skills, our superpower for solving problems. Imagine unlocking a treasure box, and inside, you find the solution to every problem you've ever faced. That's precisely what honing your analytical skills can do for you. Analytical skills are like the keys to a magical realm where problems are no longer obstacles but exciting challenges that can be overcome with logic, creativity, and critical thinking. Every time you use these skills, you're exercising your ability to assess situations, gather and interpret data, and make informed decisions or predictions. It's like being a detective of your own life, using clues and evidence to solve mysteries. What's more thrilling is that these skills can be applied in virtually any field or situation. Whether it's dealing with a complex business situation, navigating social dynamics, or even figuring out the best strategy in a board game, analytical skills come to the rescue. They are your secret weapon in making sense of complex information, identifying patterns and relationships, and ultimately making sound decisions. Developing your analytical skills can feel like unlocking a new level in a video game where you suddenly have advanced tools and strategies at your disposal. You become more efficient, more effective, and more confident in tackling hurdles. You're essentially transforming yourself into a problem-solving machine. So, embrace this exciting journey of honing your analytical skills. It's time to unlock your problem-solving potential. It's time to step into this astonishing world where problems are merely puzzles waiting to be solved by you, the fantastic analytical thinker. Go ahead and unleash your inner detective. The world of problem-solving awaits. Let's get ready to dive into the fascinating world of analytical skills, our superpower for solving problems. Imagine unlocking a treasure box, and inside, you find the solution to every problem you've ever faced. That's precisely what honing your analytical skills can do for you. Analytical skills are like the keys to a magical realm where problems are no longer obstacles but exciting challenges that can be overcome with logic, creativity, and critical thinking. Every time you use these skills, you're exercising your ability to assess situations, gather and interpret data, and make informed decisions or predictions. It's like being a detective of your own life, using clues and evidence to solve mysteries. What's more thrilling is that these skills can be applied in virtually any field or situation. Whether it's dealing with a complex business situation, navigating social dynamics, or even figuring out the best strategy in a board game, analytical skills come to the rescue. They are your secret weapon in making sense of complex information, identifying patterns and relationships, and ultimately making sound decisions. Developing your analytical skills can feel like unlocking a new level in a video game where you suddenly have advanced tools and strategies at your disposal. You become more efficient, more effective, and more confident in tackling hurdles. You're essentially transforming yourself into a problem-solving machine. So, embrace this exciting journey of honing your analytical skills. It's time to unlock your problem-solving potential. It's time to step into this astonishing world where problems are merely puzzles waiting to be solved by you, the fantastic analytical thinker. Go ahead and unleash your inner detective. The world of problem-solving awaits. Let's dive into the exhilarating world of analytical skills. Now, what are they exactly? In essence, analytical skills are the abilities that help you solve problems using a logical, step-by-step method. They are the cognitive capacities to find solutions by gathering information, deciphering it, and making informed decisions. Sounds cool, right? But wait, there's more. By possessing strong analytical skills, you can predict, prevent, and solve problems in a cinch. You'll be able to scrutinize complex situations, break them down into smaller, manageable parts, and then derive logical conclusions. This is incredibly beneficial in fields like business, science, math, and so much more. You become like a detective of knowledge, always in search for the truth behind the facts. There's no denying it. Having strong analytical skills means being able to tackle any issue that comes your way with a logical and systematic approach. It's like having a superpower that lets you see beyond the ordinary and allows you to make sound decisions based on facts and evidence. So gear up, folks. The world of analytical skills is an exciting one, and it's time for you to dive in. Let's talk about one of the most sought-after skills in the 21st century. In today's world, where we are bombarded with loads of information, it is our analytical skills that help us make sense of everything around us. Can you imagine the thrill of looking at a complex problem, breaking it down, analyzing the pieces, and then putting it all together in a more meaningful and useful way? That's what analytical skills enable us to do. The importance of these skills in today's world cannot be overstated. They are like a magical decoder ring for the world's problems, turning them from massive, overwhelming issues into smaller, manageable tasks. In our data-driven society, analytical skills help us interpret and understand the data, allowing us to make informed decisions and predictions. Whether it's in business, science, education, or everyday life, these skills are essential for success. Moreover, with the rise of AI and machine learning technologies, having strong analytical skills is more important than ever before. Imagine being able to not just understand these technologies, but also leverage them to their fullest potential. This is why analytical skills have become a must-have in today's world. So let's sharpen our analytical abilities and embrace the wonderful opportunities they offer. Critical thinking. Oh, the power of analytical skills. They're like superpowers that allow you to see beyond the surface, delve deeper into information, and make well-informed, reasoned decisions. One of the most thrilling components of these incredible skills is critical thinking. It's like being a detective in your own mind, evaluating facts, finding connections, and drawing conclusions. You're not just accepting information at face value, instead you're challenging it, questioning it, and using it to make the most well-considered decisions possible. The beauty of critical thinking lies in its systematic, structured approach to problem solving. It pushes you to question assumptions, identify biases, and look at issues from multiple perspectives. Imagine this. You're presented with a set of facts. A non-critical thinker might accept these facts as they are, but not you. You, with your analytical skills and critical thinking prowess, evaluate each fact meticulously. You consider its source, its context, its implications. You assess whether it's reliable or if there's a chance it might be skewed or incorrect. Isn't that exciting? What's more thrilling is that these analytical skills aren't just for solving complex problems or making huge life-changing decisions. They can be applied to everyday situations too. Choosing the best route to work, deciding what meal to cook based on available ingredients, determining how best to spend your free time, all of these can benefit from a sprinkle of critical thinking. So don't underestimate the power of analytical skills. Like a superhero cape, they equip you with the ability to make reasoned decisions based on evaluated facts. No longer do you have to rely on mere assumptions or guesses. Instead, you have the power to dissect information, understand it in all its complexity, and use it to your advantage. Now, isn't that a skill worth honing? Data analysis, analytical skills. Oh, how exciting and invigorating these two words are. They represent the power to dissect complex issues, extract essential data, and solve challenging problems. One of the most thrilling components of analytical skills is data analysis. Data analysis is like being a detective in the world of numbers, patterns, and trends. It's the ability to take a huge pile of data, seemingly meaningless at first glance, and turn it into a solution for an issue that has been bugging you for ages. Data analysis is all about interpreting and leveraging data to solve problems. Imagine having a jigsaw puzzle with thousands of pieces. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? But then, you start identifying patterns, grouping similar pieces together, and slowly but surely, you see the picture forming. That's exactly how data analysis works. It's about finding patterns, discerning trends, and predicting outcomes. When you have this skill, it's like having a superpower, the ability to make sense of chaos. But it doesn't stop there. The real magic happens when you leverage this interpreted data to solve problems. With your analytical skills, you can make informed decisions that could potentially save your business, improve your product, or simply make your life better. You can identify potential pitfalls before they become disasters or spot opportunities that others might overlook. You can predict customer behavior, optimize processes, and increase efficiency. In essence, having strong analytical skills, particularly in data analysis, is like having a crystal ball. It enables you to decipher the past, understand the present, and predict the future with remarkable accuracy. So embrace the power of analytics, harness your analytical skills, and let them guide you in your journey towards success. After all, in this age of information overload, the ability to analyze and leverage data is not just a nice-to-have skill, it's an absolute necessity. Research. Analytical skills are the bedrock of any research process. They are the essential components that can significantly enrich your research, providing you with the ability to gather and assess information more effectively. The use of analytical skills in research is like adding a supercharger to your intellectual engine. It not only makes the process more efficient, but it also makes it exciting and intriguing. One of the key components of analytical skills is the ability to collect data. This might sound simple, but trust me, it's an art. It's all about knowing where to look, what to look for, and how to get it. It's about being able to identify useful sources of information and utilizing them to your advantage. This could be anything from academic journals, databases, books, to even social media platforms. Yes, you heard it right. Information is everywhere. You just need to have the right set of analytical skills to find it. But wait, there's more. Analytical skills are not just about collecting data, they are also about evaluating it. Evaluating data means assessing its relevance, reliability, and validity. This involves critical thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making skills. You need to be able to analyze the data from different perspectives, question its credibility, and make informed conclusions. This is what separates good research from great research. So, if you're planning to embark on a research journey, or already in the middle of one, remember the power of analytical skills. They are your best friends in this intellectual adventure. They will guide you through the maze of information, help you make sense of complex data, and lead you towards meaningful insights. So gear up and let your analytical skills shine in your research. In a nutshell, analytical skills are the superheroes of research. They help you gather and assess information in an effective manner that can transform your research into a masterpiece. So go ahead and explore this exciting world of research with your superpower of analytical skills. Take the leap and you'll see how these skills can make your research journey an exciting and rewarding experience. Problem solving. The joy of analytical skills, the backbone of problem solving. It's like being handed a magical toolbox that allows you to dissect complex issues, explore their intricate details, and identify optimal solutions. With analytical skills, you become a problem-solving wizard, capable of unraveling the most tangled knots of challenges. And this is not just hyperbole, it's an exciting reality. Analytical skills are your private detectives in this journey of problem-solving, and they employ several strategies. One of the key strategies is breaking down the large problem into smaller, manageable parts. Like a master chef preparing a gourmet meal, you slice and dice the issue into bite-sized pieces that can be tackled individually. This strategy makes even the most daunting problems seem manageable. Another exciting strategy employed in analytical skills is pattern detection. This is where your inner Sherlock Holmes comes alive. You scrutinize the information at hand, searching for patterns or trends that could hint at potential solutions. It's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle piece by piece until the full picture emerges. Then there's the cause and effect strategy that analytical skills deploy. It's like being a detective on a thrilling case. You examine the issue to identify its root cause and then study its effects. This helps in pinpointing where exactly the problem lies and how it impacts the situation. In essence, analytical skills are your torchbearers in the dark labyrinth of problem solving. They guide you through the maze, illuminating hidden paths towards solutions. They provide you with exciting strategies to tackle complex issues and make problem-solving an exhilarating adventure rather than a daunting task. So gear up and embrace the world of analytical skills, your reliable companion in problem-solving. Creativity, the sheer thrill of exploring the exciting realm of analytical skills. One component that stands out brightly in this sphere is creativity. It is the magical element that allows us to think beyond the conventional, to step outside the box and to find innovative solutions for challenging problems. Analytical skills are not just about crunching numbers or navigating through complex data. They are about being imaginative, about being daring enough to think differently. It's the audaciousness to question established norms and to seek unique, more efficient ways of doing things. When analytical skills and creativity join forces, that's when real magic happens. Innovative solutions are born. Creativity is the spark that ignites the flame of innovation in the realm of analytical skills. It's like a secret weapon, enabling you to view problems from a fresh perspective, to spot patterns others may miss, and to connect seemingly unrelated dots. This is what makes it a key component of analytical skills. It expands your problem-solving toolbox beyond traditional methods. Imagine being able to look at a problem and not just see it for what it is, but for what it could be. That's the power of creativity and analytical skills. It's like having a superpower that allows you to leap over conventional thinking in a single bound and land on innovative solutions. So let's get excited about creativity as an essential part of analytical skills. Let's embrace this ability to think outside the box. Because it's not just about solving problems, it's about finding new ways to view them, new approaches to tackle them, and novel solutions that nobody else has thought of. And that is truly exciting.